All right, so let's do this. Yeah, I'll do this with my little one. So today we have, what do we have today? So what I noticed today is that because of all the handling we did, this keycap now has a little scratch, but which leads me to think that what we can do is to grind away this little coating and create our own pudding keycaps. So I have here a bunch of sandpapers, and let's do it to one of these. Oh, I already did something with it, so alright, so grab some painter's tape. And cover it over the portion that you don't want, which means that you can also make the band as big as you want. Let's tape it really nice, okay? Use scissors.
Oh, here's the train.
Okay, my little one, if you want to see some train. Yes, that's my little co-pilot here.
Is yours?
Yes, alright. So, now you taped up the line, and I'll just pick a sandpaper. I'm gonna start with, I don't even know. I have some 600s, 1000s, and some of these rougher, cheap ones like...
That's yours?
Number 0, I don't even know.
That's yours?
Yes, that's mine. Everything is mine. Alright, so let's start with this, and we're just gonna go sand away the layer. So don't breathe in the dust. So not only I avoided the warranty on my keyboard, I also avoided the warranty on my keycaps. For science, right? Cool. Let's do it.
This is like onion.
Yes, hey, don't touch it. Don't touch that. Come on. Yikes.
I put this.
Let's keep it going.
I stopped with the video.
Okay. So, yep, after a while you grind it away, but the problem is this line is not very well defined. But let's just finish this up. What are you doing? So far I got it down to something like this.
Would you like
Don't touch it. There's a lot of powder here.
I was at the train.
No, you don't see. You can't see the trains yet.
Gotcha.
I'm trying to make a video demoing how to create a keycap.
Keycap?
Yes, keycap. Okay. So basically I use the more tape and cut it properly. And let's finish up the little details. See these corners right here? And oof. Alright, that took us a while, and but it got away a lot of the line. Looks pretty good. Now you want to go over it again using some kind of finer number. Just peel away a little portion and just kind of start buffing it. Now make sure you have some kind of wet rag to clean this up, because if you don't notice all these paint, powder, coating and all that stuff, I don't think it's a good idea to leave it alone and kind of breathe it in. Alright, so yeah, it looks good. Now make sure when you're done with each cap you wipe things off a little bit, and also
It's coming.
okay, hey, alright, so wipe this clean. Use even finer sandpaper to buff it up if you want, but I think I'm good now. Come on. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So light will start shining through these area that's been ground off. And then let's put this back. Now I only did one key because I don't know how well I'm gonna make this. Maybe it's gonna turn up bad, and I have to give it up. And I still have another keycap.
Keycap?
Yes, I have another keycap.
What?
Yes, these are called keycaps.
Caps?
So if things turns out bad, I still have this keycap.
That's a
Video files are everywhere. We create them.
I stopped it!
Yeah. Okay, stop it. Let's put this back.
We are fixing Daddy's
Okay.
keyboard.
Yes,
We're
it's a keyboard. So
amazing.
amazing. Yes, it's amazing. So what do you think? So poor man's pulling cap. Good luck, guys. If you want to try this. All right.
Super dark, Daddy.
Yeah, here's another shot in the dark. So you copy and paste this over to all the other keycaps and see how it goes.
Lights.
Alright guys, I'm back, and so the kids went to sleep, and so I can finally finish up this portion of the video. So as you can see, I locked up the backlight so that it keeps this little wave pattern, and whenever you press the light change button, it will flash a couple times in red, indicating that something happened, but it's a good response. Now the effect of this cap after all the sanding I did wasn't really that satisfying. So let me turn the lights back on, and you can see that the lines aren't very straight. And now I spent 15 minutes doing this, so either I'm doing something really wrong, or this thing is just kind of like a waste of time. Now on YouTube, there's another guy who did something similar, and what he did was that he took the sandpaper and just grind it on the table like this. So he grinded up all the way down, and we're leaving only the top cap. So that may be another option for you to pursue if you're really into grinding this top layer away. I mean, this edges. And so yeah, otherwise I don't think this is a very good use of your time. There are pre-made caps out there everywhere, but then if you look back into it, this is the only style that fits the Keychron, in the sense that these Mac layouts, I don't see them anywhere else. So that you may still want to pursue this, but understand that yeah, I spent 15 minutes doing just one keycap, and I don't even like it. So your mileage may vary. So give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Like video, subscribe, share it around. Thank you, and you have a good day.